Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. Well, all of them are actually pretty awesome, but this first one, let me just tell you, I have so many samples because our design team went nuts. Now, let me show it to you what it looks like cut out, because look at that. See that background? It is stunningly beautiful. We're calling this the Foliage background die, and look at how it adds so much texture and depth to your card. And you know what, literally, okay, I know this card looks absolutely positively amazing, right? But in reality, it's just this die in the background with some little sprigs with a word die set on top. But it looks stunning, right? I know, I have a lot more samples to show you. Here we go, here's another one. We just released the stitch dot circles. Now it's time for the squares. These are kind of one of those that, you know, it's just like, you really need them. They really add to your squares or your circles or your rectangles. And I have lots of samples to show you. And we also are releasing, I know you guys love these as much as I do, the mix and match dies. Like we have the tri background for the A2. We have the tri background for this regular Slimline. This is the double background for the mini Slimlines. And I know how much we all love our mini Slimline size. So this has bricks and like a starry night. This one is called the, mini Slimline night. And I have a lot of samples to share with you. Yes, of course, it coordinates with all of our double mini Slimlines, so you can mix and match those backgrounds, which makes it even more versatile, right? It just takes it to the next level. Let's jump in and look at all my awesome samples. So here we go. Here's that foliage background. And look at how beautiful. I'm going to show you 3 at one time because I want you to see how different each one is completely. These two actually use the same dies, but totally different. Now on the white one, it's very subtle. Can you see it? It's very subtle. It's a monochrome. It's the same color as the one behind it, but it's so beautiful. I love those. Now let's look at some more. Oh, here's a beautiful one. Another red and white one. Look at how beautiful that is with the red and white. Let me show you the red and white over here again, because just by adding the color, the different color behind it, it really pops, doesn't it? I just love that. Here's one where it's inked a little bit with a fun, you know, I love my beautiful butterflies, but look how gorgeous that is. So stunning. Oh, here's a cute one with our little garden bunny. I love that little one, that little garden bunny. She's so cute. Ooh, here's one with the A2 card front. This is the A2 rounded corner front, but look, it's back there. Do you see it back there? Oh, gosh, that is beautiful. Warm greetings. Now, here's another one. Love it. Friends are family, we choose. I love that so much. And then here is one on our tree gate fold. So it's embossed on the sides. Let's open it up. There's our cute little fireplace on the inside, but it's embossed on the sides over here. Now look at this one. Look at this one. I love this. So this is the Z fold card die, and look at this. Wow, happy fall. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that so? Look at that background. It's stunning. Here's another one that's going to knock your socks off. These two are probably my favorite, but look at it in the back. It's inked in the back. Isn't that pretty? So look at these two together. Same background, 100% different, but stunningly gorgeous, right? I love it. I love that one. Here we go. Let's look at some double mini Slimlines. Make a wish. Look at that, those fun little swirls on there. So beautiful. I absolutely love that. Here's another one. Ooh, with our fun little bike. Oh, our bike was a club set a long time ago. If you don't have that one, you need to go check it out because it's an awesome one. I love that one. Oh, here's a cute one. Halloween. Happy Halloween. Perfect for guys. I love that. Oh, hey, honey bunny, sleeping under the stars. Here's another one. Trick or treat. Oh, here's another. Oh, I love that. Here's another one. Happy fall. And now let's look at our squares. So here we go. Now, I know some of you are saying, oh, I might not need squares. But when you see these samples, you guys, look at this. Look at this. These are all using the squares. Look at how, yeah, you need squares, right? Isn't it funny? You're thinking, maybe I don't need squares. But look at that. This is an entire card, a Slimline with squares all layered. I absolutely love that. Even on the inside, that stitch dot just really, really adds to the edges of your cards. So here those are again. And then let's look at this one. This one has the stitch dot also all the way around. Love that. And then here's another one. You can even make them into shakers. Isn't that fun? I love that. Now, club members, I know you know that I know you know that you get the club discount on all of these products every single day, every single item, every single order. How would you like to save 15 to 20% off of every single item, every single day, every single order at the Stamps of Life? Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just watch that video. Our club starts as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month. $13.99 a month. You're getting a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically in the mail. Then you're getting a 15% discount off of our entire website every day, every order, every day. Even if it's a flash sale price, you get the discount on top of that. And you also get freebies every couple months. You also get an anniversary gift certificate. If you stay in a full year, you get a $15 gift certificate. And there was one more and I totally lost it. I don't even remember. Oh, club points. You earn club points, so you can get other items. It's so awesome, you guys. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and just check out Join the Club, and see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.